Ford Lincoln's China sales surpass US for the first time. This is a big deal for a company that came late to the world's biggest car market but has made China a big part of its growth. For the first time, Ford Motor Co. sold more Lincoln luxury cars in China than in the United States. Lincoln's sales in China are expected to climb by 48% in 2021, according to a statement from the carmaker late Thursday. In the United States, Lincoln's yearly sales decreased by 18% to 86,929 last year, its lowest annual total since 2013. In 2014, Lincoln established its first dealerships in China, which is a long way behind its premium rivals. However, the company made a point of studying Chinese clients and creating a special car buying experience known as the Lincoln Way for them. In order to create warm, friendly dealerships, Lincoln commissioned 8 Inc., the company that built the initial Apple shops, to create tea lounges and waterfall displays. Only a few of automobiles were allowed in the showroom, and they were displayed on pedestals with unique lighting. Prior to making a sale, dealerships were instructed to pamper consumers and put their interests first. The company's showrooms in the United States have included many of the same features as those in its European locations. Lincoln already sells more nameplates in China than in the US, and it plans to introduce the Zephyr sedan this year after retiring it in the US. In the future, Lincoln plans to manufacture most of its vehicles in-house, rather than importing them from the United States. Despite the brand's expansion, it has failed to meet its worldwide sales targets. Initially, Lincoln's then CEO Mark Fields expected that the brand would sell 300,000 automobiles worldwide by 2020. However, Lincoln officials lowered that estimate in 2018. Ford does not want to make Lincoln a China-only brand, despite the fact that China's volume of the brand currently exceeds that of the United States. Kumar Gulhotra, Ford's president of Americas and International Markets Group, told in June that, "This is an iconic American brand, and that a huge part of the attraction in China is because of that. We have a robust company in the United States, Canada, and Mexico, despite China's enormous size. Those markets are quite important to us, and we expect them to remain so in the future." In China's luxury car market, Lincoln lags behind Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and BMW, as well as Cadillac and Volvo.